Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the PowerExtend USB-C 3 capsule. So this offers the USB-C port at 45 watts, that's a ton, it's power delivery. And then you get two IQ power ports right here with fast charging capabilities, LED lights to let you know what's happening. And then on this side, you get three regular power ports that are facing different ways, because sometimes the power bricks are so big if you face them all the same way they don't fit. So these are facing opposite ways. And then it comes with a nice big thick power cable. It's a tri-prong for the US. They offer these for different parts of the world as well. And this is the PowerExtend USB-C capsule with 45 watt USB-C power delivery. It's quite the charging product if you need to extend where your power is in your home or office. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.